today we're gonna warm up corn and butter.
Okay, so let's see what it looks like.
It's in Nonnina's house.
It's Nonnina's house.
It's not Brandon's. This is Nonnina's real microwave.
All right,
Which
sounds
is
good.
a Sylvania.
Okay.
But what about we do it for like 3 minutes?
Okay, sure. Do 3 minutes.
Now see?
Oh, and Nonnina's has a light.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. So now, what are you talking about?
Okay.
So why are we here?
For Nonnina's birthday.
And how old did Nonnina turn?
80.
80. Yeah, you're right. 80.
80 years old.
80 years old. And what did we do yesterday for her birthday?
We went to Michelangelo's.
Yes. And what did you eat over there?
We ate white bread. I ate chicken nuggets and fries. And I
Did you have dessert?
I had a little bit of my mom's ice cream.
Yeah.
Yes, now let's go back to the
Let's go back to the microwave. Yes, this is what the people need to know. All right, we got 2 minutes left.
Now we got one. And then their dishwasher is LD.
Sure. Would you like to show the dishwasher? Okay.
Now see, it's an LD. And
Yes.
Then they have a toaster oven, which is Hamilton Beach.
Okay.
Which
Yeah.
And then they have a Whirlpool oven. Then a Sunbeam toaster. And then they have
Do you know what that kind of coffee machine is called? Keurig?
Keurig, and this one's a espresso.
Yes. And do you know what the brand is?
Can you read
Can you read that?
Caseo.
Seiko, I think.
Seiko.
Very good.
Yeah. And do you know what this says? Royal Professional. That's right.
And now
All right.
back
Let's
to the
back to the microwave.
Look
Okay.
at these.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Now,
gosh.
remember, not everything can go in the microwave. This is a special bowl that can go in the microwave.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What?
What is something you should never put in the microwave?
Metal. Never put metal or aluminum in the microwave because it's unsafe. Because you know what happens if you do that?
What happens,
It
Henry?
will catch fire.
Oh
which
my
is
goodness.
Not too safe.
And then what'll happen? It will break.
It will definitely break.
All right. Oh, we're back to 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be hot
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And all right.
And now.
Let's check her out. Oh, it looks steamy.
Wow.
Okay.
Now it's probably right 3 minutes.
That is very hot, so Zia's just going to take the lid off.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that looks pretty cooked.
Oh,
You just got to stir the butter. That's exciting.
Okay. And bye and subscribe for my videos and enjoy more videos on microwaves.
All right. Thanks, Henry.